Hello, everybody. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Homeopathic Super Sessions by Dr. Charles. Today, I'll be telling you an extremely effective remedy for hiccups. Hiccups at times becomes a problematic case to treat, and it becomes difficult for the patient to also respond to the treatment. So I'll be telling you one important homeopathic remedy, which is not so commonly used in cases of hiccups. So in this case of hiccups, when you are getting, or rather, when you've taken the case properly and still you're not able to get the desired result, think of this remedy. The remedy name is hyoscyamus. I repeat, the remedy name is hyoscyamus. So in hyoscyamus, you would get constant hiccups, which comes over a period of time, especially after eating irritating food, pungent food, or spicy food. It irritates the diaphragm and the patient starts getting hiccups. Well, let me tell you an interesting case. I had a case of hiccups in my initial days of practice, and the patient, I had to go for a home visit, in wherein the poor patient was constantly having these hiccups since the last 1 week. Could you imagine? He's hardly slept since the last 1 week, and continuously he is having these hiccups. Many allopathic treatment was taken, and still there was no relief. So they contacted me. I went there, and since the patient could not talk because he was constantly having hiccups, I gave the remedy hyoscyamus. Hyoscyamus in the 30th potency and the centesimal scale 3 times a day. And could you imagine? Within 2 hours, the hiccups subsided. So in these cases, rather in such cases where the indicated homeopathic remedy fails to give you the result, think of hyoscyamus. It will practically work in 90% of the cases of hiccups. So please keep this remedy handy with you. And in any case of hiccups, you can directly give it as a specific also. It may work, I repeat again, in 90% of the cases. So you can give it in the 30th potency 3 times a day. If improvement occurs, you can also go to the higher potency, 200 potency. But in my experience in the last so many years, generally the 30th potency is sufficient. If at all, I give in the 30th potency 3 times a day, the patient doesn't respond, then dissolve it in water, 4 pills in half a cup of water, and give 1 teaspoon every 1 hour to the patient. Within a few hours, the hiccup intensity will reduce. Also, the duration of intensity will also reduce. And the span of hiccups in between also will reduce. So this is a good remedy, hyoscyamus in the 30th potency for hiccups. So please try it out. And if you have any comments, you can give it in the comment box. I'll be happy to answer it. Thank you very much.